Mr. Las Cañas, no? Na itong mga Chinese nationals na nahuli ay tinanong siya, no? Tinanong sila, "Nasaan yung inyong passport?" Yung inyong para ma-ascertain yung identities nitong mga to. And they mentioned the name na nasa boss namin. Sabi nila, nasa boss namin, ang pangalan ng boss nila ay si Mr. Michael Yang. So, and that actually is the information na nakuha ng informer. Kaya nalaman natin na itong si Michael Yang ay may malaking posibilidad na involved dito sa Johnson Chua drug syndicate.
Interview of the former president in relation to this 11 or 13 Chinese nationals.
So you have a video to show?
Yes, Mr. Chair, and I understand that the Secretariat is ready to play.
Secretary?
Nila na ginawa mo. Kaya yung sa Dumoy. Inubos ko talaga. I did it because I had to do it to make it.
I believe it's clear, Mr. Chair, yung sa Dumoy, inubos ko talaga. I did it because I have to do it for my country.
I'm just trying to patch and link his statement with the one that you just said earlier. Kasi ang sinabi niya, inubos ko sila lahat. Pero kayo po yung gumawa ng raid. Now put that into context, did he order you to kill all those
No,
Chinese?
Mr. Chair.
Yun ang gusto kong
Kami
mention.
lang, sa amin yan, Mr.
So
Chair.
yun ang gusto naming i-point out po ni ni Chairman Benny Abate.
Yes,
So I
Mr.
would
Chair.
suggest to DJ Wilkins Villanueva not to speak on behalf of the President
Yes,
because we
yes,
can
Mr.
never understand what the President really means.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Thank you.
Which is in possession of the Honorable Akop, if it bears the name of the 13 Chinese nationals.
Yes, meron.
Your Honor, the names of the 13 Chinese nationals are enumerated.
So, would it be possible, Mr. Chair, that we verify as to the travel records of these Chinese nationals with the Bureau of Immigration? Would that be possible, BI? With that, Mr. Chair, I respectfully move that we request for the travel records of these 13 nationals with the Bureau of Immigration.
13 national.
At least we see some proof that they are alive. If they still have this recent travel records. And with all due respect to DG Villanueva, of course, we could not account really where these 30 nationals are because we're not certain whether there was indeed a turnover. Sila po ba'y nasa Pilipinas ngayon? O sila po ba'y nasa China na? Sila po ba'y buhay? O sila po ba'y patay? We cannot tell until perhaps SPO4 Val Carrillo will testify before this committee as to what happened to those 30 nationals who allegedly were turned over to the Bureau of Immigration. I lament that we have the Bureau of Immigration here, but he seems to be unaware at all about the alleged turnover of these 30 nationals. Nevertheless, Mr. Chair, considering the conflicting versions of what possibly happened to these 30 nationals, I wish to share to the committee one of the interview of the former president, and I hope we can hear some enlightenment from DG Villanueva if he has something to say about this interview of the former president in relation to these 11 or 13 Chinese nationals.
So you have a video to show?
Yes, Mr. Chair, and I understand that the Secretariat is ready to play.
Secretariat?
For the guidance of everyone, hinahanap po natin kung nasan yung 11 or 13 Chinese nationals who were allegedly turned over to the Bureau of Immigration after the Dumoy raid on December 31. What's the year, Mr. Chair?
Nila na ginawa.
2004.
Nila na ginawa mo. Kaya yung sa Dumoy. Inubos ko talaga. I did it because I had to do it to make it.
believe it's clear, Mr. Chair, yung sa Dumoy, inubos ko talaga. I did it because I have to do it for my country. Can we hear the comment of DG Villanueva?
Mr. Chair, kilala naman natin si Presidente. May rhetoric talaga yan para makita. But ang sinasabi ni President is Dumoy. Dumoy Laboratory. Talagang patay lahat yung nandun, Mr. Chair. Hindi doon sa kung saan na area. So yun yung, I believe that's the context. But knowing him, talagang ganun magsalita, sir. Mr. Chair, patay yan. Akong bahala dyan. Mga ganun usually.
Mr. Chair,
Tatapon ko sa helicopter yan.
Mr. Chair, naniniwala ba si General Wilkins na rhetoric lang yon? Naniniwala kayong rhetoric lang yon?
Yung Dumoy, Mr. Chair, is...
Binanggit mo rhetoric eh.
yun
So,
nga.
alam mo yung utak ng dating Pangulo?
Mr. Chair, I'm talking about Dumoy Laboratory.
You are talking about what the President said.
Doon sa Dumoy Laboratory, Mr.
Dali
Chair.
lang. Binanggit kanina ni Congresswoman Luistro Pinakita sa iyo yung video Nakita ron na ubos ko talaga. You were not referring to you were referring to the statement of the former president. And you said it is just rhetoric. Rhetoric lang ba yun? I'm just asking.
Yes,
Is
Mr.
that
Chair.
rhetoric, Mr. Chair?
Mr. Chair,
Sa'yo.
yung,
Dahil sagutin mo ako. Yes
Chair.
or no, is that rhetoric?
Mr. Chair, yung sinasabi ni Presidente during that time was in Dumoy.
My goodness, you're impossible. You are very impossible. Sasagutin mo lang ako Binanggit mo rhetoric Alam mo naman si Presidente. Binanggit mo, alam nyo naman si Presidente. Alam mo ang utak ng dating Pangulo? Rhetoric lang ba yung sinabi niya?
I'm sorry for the word, Mr. Chair.
Ayun.
I'm sorry for the word.
Salamat.
Mr. Chair, just a very short interjection if my good friend Congresswoman Jinky Luistro would allow me.
Well, the committee, Your Honor, does not really allow interjections, but since the good Congresswoman from Batangas allowed you to, then perhaps if it is maybe 30
It's very-
seconds short, that you can...
It's very, very short, Mr. Chair. Can we play again the video?
Sige. Please play the video again.
Can we play again the video?
Comsec, Secretariat, can you please play the video?
The video that was just shown earlier, Mr. Chair, where the President mentioned about naubos ko lahat.
Hindi nila na ginawa ko. Kaya yung sa Dumoy, inubos ko talaga. I did it because I had to do it for my country.
Mr. Chair, just want to be clarified because we apparently have a scenario here where there are 11 Chinese nationals that were turned over, and there are also killed foreign nationals in Dumoy. I just want to be clarified because DJ Wilkins mentioned categorically that the president was specifically means Dumoy. Can we put that into record, Mr. Chair, that he knows exactly what the president was talking about? Because the premise of the question of Congresswoman Jinky was about the 11 Chinese nationals. We did not know where they are, whether they're really alive or if they were, killed. Just to put into record, Mr. Chair, that the DG Wilkins Villanueva knew exactly categorically what the president was referring to.
Mr. Chair, what I hear, if I can hear it right, yung pinag-uusapan dito, Mr. Chair, issue sa Dumoy. That is why, nung pinakita yung video ng Presidente na inubos ko lahat sa Dumoy, talagang ubos lahat, Mr. Chair. It's not in Arlene apartment or what. It's in Dumoy na anti-drug operation, clandestine laboratory operation, Mr. Chair. That's what I'm saying, Mr. Chair.
Okay, but you did the operation in Dumoy, right?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So was there a clear, because when the president says, taking into the context of his pronounce it there, inubos ko sila lahat, did he direct you personally to make ubos of all the Chinese that you found there in the raid?
Lumaban yung anim, Mr. Chair. Kaya kwento ko nga kanina, yung pang-anim na namatay,
No,
pinakal yung agent natin, yung
No.
police natin.
yeah, Mr. Chair. I'm not saying the manner of which they were killed. I'm just trying to patch and link his statement with the one that you just said earlier. Kasi ang sinabi niya, inubos ko sila lahat. Pero kayo po yung gumawa ng raid. Now put that into context. Did he order you to kill all
No,
those
no,
Chinese?
Mr. Chair. Hindi.
Yun ang gusto kong
Kami
mention.
lang, sa amin yan, Mr.
So
Chair.
yun ang gusto naming i-point out po ni ni Chairman Benny Abate.
Yes,
So I
Mr.
would
Chair.
suggest to DJ Wilkins Villanueva not to speak on behalf of the President
Yes,
because we
yes,
can never understand what the President really means.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay,
Mr. Chair,
before that, let
Short
me
lang.
acknowledge the present.
medyo merong akong konting confusion about the pronouncement of the former president. And I was amazed, no, na actually ngayon ko lang parang nakita to na siya yung pumatay. Ang question ko lamang po, we were talking about the 13 Chinese nationals. At sa 13 na Chinese nationals na yon, meron siyang tatlong mga bata. Merong 14 years old, merong 15 years old, at merong 18 years old. So kung sakaling totoo yung sinasabi ng former president that he killed everybody, yeah, for the love of the country, involving those children, this is something that is so serious, no? And we have to take it seriously talaga. And just wanted to know, asan na tong 13 taong ito? Sa ngayon, Wilkins, we don't know the whereabouts of these 13 Chinese nationals.
Mr. Chair, talagang ang makakasagot nito is Bureau of Immigration. Tama yung sabi ni Congress Representative Luistro na tingnan yung travel record. Kasi talagang nirelease ng BID. It's the BID na makakasagot nito, Mr. Chair. Mas madadali kung makuha talaga yung travel records ng mga taong ito, Mr. Chair.
Okay, Mr. Chairman, yun lamang gusto kong medyo maintindihan and kailangan po magkaroon tayo ng closure dito sa isyong to. No? Very bothering po itong pati bata ay kung talagang pinatay ng former president to ay medyo bothering to that even the Chinese embassy must be aware of what happened. What about the Chinese embassy? Ano naging reaction nila on these Chinese nationals? Have we invited the Chinese embassy during that time? Because these are all Chinese nationals. So basically, these criminals must be turned over to them, correct? Have we included the Chinese embassy?
Hindi ko pa alam kung anong action talaga ng Bureau of Immigration, Mr. Chair.
Kaya a while ago you were mentioning General Wilkins that it was a comprehensive briefing that you have conducted.
Yes, sa mga VIPs na dumating on this January 1st, Mr. Chair.
And who conducted that briefing?
Ako po.
Who invited all those personalities, the VIPs?
Mr. Chair, coming from Manila po sila
What I mean is like, who invited? Are they the one who started the meeting, or sila po ba nagpatawag, or it was you who have invited those VIPs?
Sinundo,
Sino
Mr. Chair, ano po yun? Yung VIP o yung, ano po yung tanong niyo po ulit?
You were telling us, di ba, na meron kayong kinandak na briefing, di ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Involving the immigration, Angelo Reyes.
Walang,
A while ago, you were telling that. I heard you.
Yes, pero hindi ko alam kung may immigration doon, Mr. Chair. Kasi ang sinalubong namin from the airport, yung Davao International Airport, merong isang VIP room doon, Mr. Chair. Yun yung holding area namin na
So,
lahat ng VIPs.
who are those people? I mean, sila ba nag-start nung nagpatawag nung briefing or it was you?
Ako po, hindi po. Sinundo ko po sila. So, while magkakasabay sila, General Reyes, General Aglipay, General De Leon, General Abinido.
So they
Magkakasabay
went
sila.
there on their own volition?
From Manila.
They went there on their own volition or you're the one who called them over?
No, they decided to come over sa Davao City because of that anti-drug operation, Mr. Chair. So what I did is para isahang briefing, doon ako sa airport launch nag-conduct ng briefing for all of them. Bago i-travel sila papuntang Dumoy Laboratory so that alam nila ano yung i-expect nila doon sa area. So
Alright.
I decided to conduct the briefing for them. During that time, walang immigration doon, Mr.
So wala ka na remember that Chinese embassy were...
Wala po. Wala
Okay.
po.
Sige, yun lang po, Mr. Chairman. Maraming salamat.
Okay, thank you, Congressman Paduano. Congressman Fernandez. The next to interpolate is Congressman Abante, and then after Congressman Abante, we will proceed with another presentation.
Mr. Chairman,
With the indulgence of Congressman Abante, sige,
Go ahead.
Congressman Paduano, if it's just very short, we will allow
this is
you.
just a manifestation, Mr. Chairman, and I don't need answers coming from the resource person, especially to General Wilkins. Mr. Chairman, the last statement made, kasi kanina wala ako dito, nung sinalaysay ang nangyari talaga sa Dumoy, yung pagkamatay, when he stated that yung pinakahuli na Chinese national na namatay, sinakal daw yung isang ahente. Eh, sinakal lang pala eh, at pinatay. Di ba, is it commensurate? Eh, kung sinakal lang, ibig sabihin nun, wala siyang baril. Pero si Chairman, kaya ako, ang daming inconsistencies. Ayaw ko nga, hindi ko nga kita tinatanong, this is just my manifestation. Eh, yung mga statement ko, in fact, Mr. Chairman, to add my manifestation, ang daming nakakalimutan si General Wilkins, pero yung mga pizza, hindi niya nakakalimutan. At hindi pa ito tapos. Dumating yung official document ng PDEA, doon tayo po magkakaalam-alaman. Pero yun, once again, Mr. Chairman, nagtataka po ako sa statement na yung pang-anim o yung last na namatay, sinakal pa nga yung isang agent ng PDEA daw o ng agent nila General Wilkins. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Again, I don't need reply from General Wilkins. Thank you po.
Salamat. So we will now proceed.
May I ask General La Peña at saka si Yusek Gumban, hindi po ba pursuant to the law which was already in existence in 2004, tama po ba? Yung Republic Act 9165, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Kung ang operations are anti-illegal drugs, ang PDEA ang Office of Primary Responsibility.
That's right, sir.
Yusek Gumban, would you agree with that?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
General Wilkins, would you agree with that?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, in other words, yung lahat po na nangyayari from December 31 to January 5, dapat kayo po ang nakakaalam dahil kayo po ang Office of Primary Responsibility.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Pero sa pagsasagot niyo po sa amin, parang hindi niyo po alam yung nangyari. Kasi you stated that you do not even know kung sino yung mga pumunta sa Arlene apartment. For example, if I asked you, what is the distance between the Arlene apartments at saka yung chemical warehouse sa Agdao?
Siguro, Mr. Chair, mga 5 minutes ride. 3 to 5 minutes ride.
Yes. Ni-rate nyo na yung Agdao, yung Arlene apartments. January 1, bumalik kayo sa 5 minutes na lugar. From Arlene apartment, ni-rate nyo yung warehouse doon. January 4.
Yes, Mr. Chair, kasi wala kaming search warrant doon, Mr. Chair.
Saan?
Sa Agdao warehouse, Mr. Chair, wala kaming warrant.
Wala rin kayong warrant sa Arlene eh.
Doon sa Arlene naman, Mr. Chair, kasi tumama naman yung mga tao, Mr. Chair eh.
Hindi yun ang issue eh. Ang issue doon is, did you have a search warrant to that? Are you telling me that you can enter any place? A private place without any warrant of arrest, search warrant?
Mr. Chair, hindi ko alam kung ano yung
O ikaw
actual na
ang
nangyari.
office
Yes,
of
Mr.
primary
Chair.
responsibility. You are not accepting responsibility dahil hindi nyo ma-explain kung nasaan yung 13 na Chinese. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
All right, thank you so much. Now we'll be proceeding to the next interpolator. Congressman Nabante, Chairman, you are now recognized.
Thank you.
You have 2 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Akala ko meron ka ring interpellation. Yung pala, ikaw na yung chair. Eh. Anyway, hihingi sana ako ng oras sa pagkakataong ito to be able to read the certain statement of Las Cañas, no? Sa kanyang affidavit. May I, Mr. Chair?
All right, go ahead, Chairman.
Ito po ang sinabi niya. I called up Sunny at tinatanong ko po kung sino yung Sunny. Ito pala yung Sunny Buenaventura na General Wilkins, driver mo to, no? Driver ni?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair.
Driver the former president. I called up Sunny immediately and told him about the money deal Alan C. proposed to me. And Sunny told me to wait for a while because he would inform RRD who is sitting beside him. And RRD was on the phone. He told me not to buy the proposed money deal of Alan C, that he would take care of us regarding the issue of money, and that he had in his disposal huge amount of Intel funds. RRD told me to proceed with the agreed plan to clean up and dispose of the 11 Chinese nationals and that they were menace to our society. So, kinwento po niya rito, no? Kung paano niya pinatay. Well, Mr. Chair, I'm not against the killing of Chinese drug lords. What I'm against is the way they were killed. Di ba? I mean, hindi naman yung pagpatay. Siguro, kakampihan ko na rin na pinatay itong mga drug lords na ito eh. Pero ang iniisip ko, yung the way kung paano sila pinatay. Ito, sabi rito, sabi rito ni Las Cañas, so sinabi niya, yes sir, and it ended our conversation. SPO4 Ben Laud approached me and whispered to me that everything is ready now. It was past 2 a.m. In the morning. SPO4 Ben Laud and I instructed our force multipliers or the RRA assets. There were more or less 4 of them to bring the 11 Chinese nationals to the mountainous area of Laud Quarry, where an 8-foot deep, more or less 6 feet in length, ready for the 11 Chinese nationals involved in the production of illegal drugs in a drug laboratory in Davao City. I shot first Alan C. twice in the head using a 22 caliber pistol with silencer. Then 2 of our force multipliers men dragged the dead body of Alan C. near to the mouth of the grave, tossed the dead body deep down to the common grave. Then followed by the 8 other Chinese nationals. I shot them alone with a pistol, one by one, twice in their heads to the ground. Then I let Jim Tan shoot the other 2 male Chinese nationals, and he did. The 11 Chinese nationals rested in peace in their common grave with bullets in their head, and the rest was history. Ito po ay sinabi sa affidavit ni Mr. Las Cañas. Halimbawa, ikaw, General Wilkins, gagawin niyo ba yung klase ng pagpatay na ginawa ni Las Cañas?
Hindi po.
Yun. Okay. Ibig sabihin, naniniwala din kayo sa due process, correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ayan. So, mali yung kanilang way ng pagpatay.
Hindi ko kasi kilala si Las Cañas
Eh,
talaga.
hindi yung
So,
pinag-usapan.
mali talaga si Las Cañas.
Ayun. Yun ang gusto kong sabihin mo sa akin. Kasi
Mali po si Las Cañas.
hindi ka sumasang-ayon
Yes.
kung paano sila pinapamatay. Di mali ang ginawa ni Las Cañas.
Yes, sir.
Oo. Pero ito, personal testimony ni Las Cañas to na ginawa niya, no? So, ito, gusto kong tanungin si Mr. Asierto. Andiyan po si Mr. Asierto? Oh.